Yes, gusto lang po namin mag-thank you. Thank you, Miss Isabel and the City of LA for this unexpected recognition. For really, we're just doing what we love, performing, entertaining, and inspiring people, and having this award. Parang it pushes us to do more and to do better. And LA will always have a place in Bini's history, so we are very, very grateful for this. Sabi nga namin, parang every time we go to LA, it's like our comfort place. Diba parang, it feels like home pa rin, kahit malayo kami sa Pilipinas. And we hope this open more doors for other Filipino artists to perform, not just in LA, but all around the world. And sana tulungan niyo din po kami, help us to push Filipino music to the global stage. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
I think it's pita pat or 8.